our group is presenting the system operation report for the Western region for the month of October 2024. This report is prepared under guidance of Dr.S.U.Bagwan sir, Anashri Institute of Engineering and Technology. Our group members are Harshita Sutar, Sakshi Lohar, Siddhi Kumbar, and Divya Sapkar. Content are generation capacity, demand and availability, voltage profile, generation profile, renewable and non-renewable source generation, frequency deviation, and outage of day and time. State-wise ownership and plants which we are used to for generation: hydro, coal, gas, nuclear, total generation capacity, diesel, and this is the megawatt generation for total capacity. Demand and availability. This is the energy demand, requirement and availability. As you can see in this table, requirement of, as we can see the case of Maharashtra, requirement is the 16,873 and availability 16,871. Shortage is 0.01 for the October 2024. And this is the graph of Western region seasonal demand, daily demand. Red line shows the generation of 2024 and 25, and blue line shows the generation of 23 and 24. Reading different substation of the Western region at 765 kV level. Most nodes were within IEGC limits, but some substations like Bina Gwalior and Varda showed minor deviations. At the 400 kV level, high voltage above 420 kV was seen in Amreli, Jetpur, Karad, Mapsa, New Koina, and Varda. New Koina had the highest issues. It remained above 420 kV for almost 76% of the time. High voltage generally occurs when demand is low or receive power is high. Maintaining voltage is important because high voltage can damage equipment and low voltage can affect the supply quality. Here is the graph of the voltage profile. This line shows the region wise voltage. Here is the table of voltage generation.
The slide provides information on generation outages for October 2024, specifically unit outages in megawatt. The data is presented in a table and a line chart, and this slide is from October 2024. Date wise data is presented. 6,540 megawatt total, 19,875 megawatt. The graph shows the unit outages total October 2024. The blue line is presented plan outages. Red line present force outages, and the purple line is present total outages October 2024, and the orange line is presented total outages September 2024. Plan outages generally higher than forced outages. Total outages occurred through October 2024. Comparison with September 2024 total shows impact of outages. Electrical outages in substations can cause large areas to lose power, demand equipment, and create safety risk. They make it hard of engineers to monitor the system and can delay power restoration. These outages affect hospitals, industries, and homes, causes voltage problems, and may overload nearby substations. Overall, they lead to losses and
Frequency profile. We know this slide shows the Western region for frequency profile of October 2024. As we know, the frequency represents how many cycles of AC as per second. and it measured in hertz. The standard of India is 50 hertz. And this waveform is shows when the line goes down, it more than the generation, causing frequency drop. And when line goes up, it means generation was higher, so frequency is increased. And according to IEGC, the safe frequency range is between 49.90 hertz and 50 hertz. The this table shows the maximum, minimum, and average frequency. Maximum frequency occurs when generation exceeds load, and minimum frequency occurs when load is higher than the available generation. By analyzing these values, grid operators ensures that frequency remains stable, which is very important for safe and reliable operation of the power system. Impact of on frequency: when the frequency in the power system goes up or down, it basically means generation and load are not matching. If frequency drops like below 49 and 90 hertz, it means load is more, generation is less, system becomes stressed. You may see how low voltages, load shading, tripping, and tripping of machines, etc. And if frequency increases like above 50 hertz or more, it means generation is more and load is less. This can causes over voltage, heating of equipment, and some of generators may trip, and losses like I square R losses, copper losses. This system occurs ensures everyone follows the grid rules, so the frequency stays near 50 hertz.
Hydro generation is in the month of October to 40 was 2211 MUS at the average 71 MUS day. Maximum hydrogen generation was 105 MUS on 1 October 2024. Hydrogen generation increased by 9.24 percentage compared to last year of the same month. Wind generation, total wind generation in the same solar generation increased by 42.28% compared to the last year same month. Maximum solar generation during October to 40 was 130 30,455 megawatt on 30 October 2024 at 11 hours. Application of renewable energy, application home industry, factories, irrigation, and impact reduce pollution, protects environment, and outage, no sunlight in solar outage, no wind outage, and low water level hydro outage. Generation, monthly solar generation, total solar energy generated to 2700 of 56 MUS, average 88.9 MUS day compared to last year, increased by 42.28 percentage. And maximum solar generation 30,755 megawatt to 13 October 2024 at 11 hours. State-wise solar energy contribution: central, and orange line shows Chhattisgarh, and red line shows Gujarat, and green line shows west region. Gujarat, state-wise solar energy contribution: Gujarat 135 MUS, Maharashtra 574 MUS, and Madhya Pradesh 258 MUS, Chhattisgarh 80 MUS, West region ISTS 810 MUS.
Graph shows daily wind generation during the October 2014. MUS day per day, compared to last year, decreased the 15.30%, 40 1774 MUS last year. Maximum wind generation in October 2014. State-wise wind energy contribution mutes from source-wise generation table. Gujarat 445 MUS, Maharashtra 2037 MUS, Madhya Pradesh The graph shows daily wind generation during the October 2040. It means wind generation change the hour to hour depends on the speed of the wind. Gujarat and Maharashtra shows the most contribution in wind generation, and we are achieved its hydroelectric peak in May 2040. Maximum wind output reached 5 5040 MUs on 3rd October. Overall wind generation increased by is over last year. Parameters and values. Total hydro generation is 2211 MUs. Average daily hydro generation 17.1 MUs per day. Maximum hydro generation in a day 105 MUs. Day of maximum hydro generation 1 October 2014. Hydro generation is plus 9.84 higher last year same month 2020 US and receiver level in merit max in monthly FY 2045. मध्य प्रदेश, गुजरात and Maharashtra. 24 April 396 296 255 and 195. May 2040 in 395 to 205 54 195. June 2040 395 205 551 195. July 2040 395 255 195. August 396 261 195. September 2040 399 292 and 196. October 2040 399 262 and 195. Same as Gujarat in April 2014 99 122 and 120 22 May 2040 97 120 123. June 2014 24 sorry 195 95 190 123. July 99 180 and 121. August 100 102 126 135. September 105 127 138. October 105 127 138. Same as Maharashtra. April 2040 643. May 636. June 360 625. July 654. August 659. September 659 and October 659. So please next slide. Thank you. But summary of all graphs. Solar increase the production of higher around mid October. Wind fluctuately output improved the compared to last year. Hydro increasing output because of good reservoir levels. Thank you.